Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project segment selected by slide. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the slide switch. Then, slide switch to whichever segment we need to display. For example, I will be taking F, E and D. So I will apply this on F. Then, power to the next slide switch and that slide switch to E. Then power to another slide switch and that slide switch to D. At the end, we will connect the negative of the 7 segment display to the ground. Now, when I will turn these switches on, the segments are supposed to glow. Let's see. Let's do it again. And it's